Prime Minister Narendra Modi are set for a holy dip at Mahakumbh. Sources say he will be at Mahakumbh on the 5th of February. Modi's Mahakumbh holy dip on Delhi poll day. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will be visiting on the 1st of February. President Draupadi Murmu will go to Mahakumbh on the 10th of February is what we are learning. A significant development that Aishwarya is reporting on right now. On the day that Delhi is voting, the Prime Minister goes to Mahakumbh. Aishwarya, what more details can you share with us?
Well, Sneha, we have seen how Prime Minister Modi has been since the beginning saying that Mr. Modi will be taking the holy dip in the Mahakumbh, which will also send out a very clear message that this is the coming together of all those people who believe in Sanatan Dharma. And we have seen now 12 years after 12 years, 4 places we have seen the Mahakumbh taking place, and it actually speaks a lot about how strong Sanatan Dharma has been. We will see not just the Prime Minister, but we will see the top leaders of the BJP also following suit. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Sneha, if you remember, was a couple of days back. He was in Prayagraj. He took the holy dip. So we will see other people also from the BJP following suit and going and taking a holy dip. The Mahakumbh, 5th Feb, is when the Prime Minister will be present and will be taking that holy dip.
Yes, I also want to ask you, Aishwarya, whenever it comes to these rituals, the Prime Minister has always, in fact, encouraged these rituals. Also, as far as his own faith is concerned, it's always, in fact, been something that he's spoken about, and also, taken part in these rituals, isn't it? It's something that he's been doing for a while now.
Varanasi, and we have seen that even for the first time when he said that he will make sure 2014 elections, he said it is Ma Ganga that has actually called him, and we have seen him not just once, we have seen him multiple times taking the dip and also making sure that he follows all the rituals to the T. That is something that a lot of people who know Prime Minister also speak about him, that he makes sure that everything is followed to the T. So on the 5th, we will see a repeat of those things, and when the Prime Minister will take the holy dip, it will also be a signal for all.
Like, share, subscribe.